Hey, what's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. First of all, so what we have there, what we're going to get into today is the premium tour pack mount from Advanblack. All right, so I probably mentioned before, and some of you guys I may have talked to or was ordering tour packs. The old tour pack would just be just this portion right here, no cushion. So Advanblack has invented a new tour pack. It's been out for a little while, but I felt it's time to reintroduce it, right? So what we have is the mounting rack for 14 up motorcycle. So you must have the 4-point docking in order for this to work. Okay, and it's like I said, it's come in black or polished finished. But what we have now, what makes it premium, one is the extra rubber support that it offers. So it'll assume some of that vibration that you get from riding a motorcycle and being on the back of the tour pack. It's still slotted, so you can adjust your tour pack forward and backwards. But also it has two extra arms that is mounted. We're going to mount these today so you can see how it actually looks to give support. And these fall right into the place of the bottom of your tour pack. So it's made to fit the tour pack. When it sits on here and you bolt it down, it's on here. It's not going to slide. But this is how it is when it gets done. This kit comes with 4 screws, 4 nuts, and 4 washers. It's very easy to install. You'll need a 10 millimeter, I believe. Yeah, 10 millimeter socket and a 10 millimeter wrench. So we're going to get this installed really quick. Like I said, I just want to come on here real quick. The best way to do it is to flip it over and grab your screw here. Stick it through the hole. Grab your washer and a nut. Just get it to where it's in place, and then you can go back and tighten it back up. So screw, washer, nuts. All right. Do the other side. The hole's already there for you. You don't have to do anything. Screw, washer, nut. All right, let me do the back side here. Then we'll get this thing tightened down, and I'll show you what it looks like on the motorcycle. Now we have our manual ratchet here to make the job go a little easier. I'm gonna put an extension on it just for my reach. And make sure it's loosened. You want to tighten. All right. All right. One more time. Doesn't matter how this thing goes, same size, so. One more time. Make sure it's tight. Now, this is how it looks when you're done. So, tour pack will fit, you know, in the bottom of your tour pack, it has a little indent in the bottom of it, so it'll fit right up on your tour pack. Like I said, it comes in black, as you see, or it comes in polished. Unfortunately, I don't have a polished one here to show you. I think I might have a video somewhere, or a short or something, but I thought it was good to introduce as the tour pack sales are kind of going up. So most folks don't know about the premium, or they want to know why the cost is so, it's a little higher, because this premium tour pack is running $199, but it's worth it. I mean, think about the products that you put, or the material that you put in your tour pack. You don't want those to risk, you know, damaging your tour pack or even losing anything. So you want to make sure it's mounted properly. So anytime I sell a tour pack, I always suggest this mount. There are cheaper mounts out there. You don't have to go this route, but hey, you get what you pay for. So like I said, reach out to us here at Ledsnbaggs on all social media platforms. Make sure you guys hit that like button for me, please. If you're watching this, just hit the button. It's not gonna hurt anything just to hit that button. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe to the channel. That's free too. If you're on Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, subscribe. You know, it's all free. It doesn't cost anything. But so what we're gonna do is move the camera over to the bike and show you mounting this tour pack mount on a motorcycle. It's not the bike that's going to stay on, it's just the example bike that we have here that we can use this for, because that particular bike has chrome. So I can see guys already commenting about the chrome and the black, but some people run both. But like I said, we're just going to put this on their example bike. A lot of folks mismount this as well. They don't have the 4-point docking, or they try to mount it in the wrong docking points. So I'm gonna show you the correct way to mount that, and yeah, take it from there. Let me get the camera moving. All right, guys, we're over here at this example bike. So we have the 4-point docking. Well, you know why it's called 4 points? 1, 2, 3, 4. There's 4 points. The rear mounting, the forward mounting has 2 mounting points. Okay, so it has a point here where the rubber's at. There's a point here, same on the other side. Okay, and then that rubber in the back. So there's mounting for a tour pack or mounting for a backrest or a luggage rack. All right, so the way you want to do this is mount this in the inner. So you kind of push it down. It is new, so you got to muscle it a little bit. Push it down, then come back. Make sure your guards are open on both sides. Make sure they're open, and you clamp down. Like I said, you got to muscle it a little bit, and you may have to loosen up the mounting rack. Not mounting rack, the 4-point docking. Loosen that rubber piece up just a little bit, just to get it on there. But this thing is new, it is tight. We're not leaving it on here, so I'm not gonna force it. But actually there was a tour pack on here I took off, so that's how you mount it. All right. So this one's not, like I said, it's not staying on this bike. I removed the tour pack that was on here just so that we can show you the 4-point mounting rack. But you push this down until it clicks. Once it clicks, it's locked in. All right, so it will sit a little flatter. Like I said, your tour pack goes on top of it just like so. So there you have it. The premium mounting rack on the 4-point docking. Like I said, make sure you guys subscribe to the channel, hit that like button, show us some support, and we'll catch you on the next video. Peace.